Now we are going to start chapter 9, that is three-dimensional geometry. In this, before discussing about three-dimensional geometry, that is R-cube plane, it is three plane consisting of three plane in geometry that describe about the three planes, three axes that are perpendicular to each other. Before discussing these, we will discuss the basics of vector. As we are familiar with scalar, a scalar is that which gives the magnitude, just as distance between A and B is 10, as it is measured from A side or B side, but there is no direction specified. So vectors, we are going to define vectors are those quantities whose magnitude and direction are specified. That is a quantity whose magnitude and direction as well as both are known. As we learned about the complex number, so in case of complex number, that is lie in the argand plane. Argand plane is that plane that consists complex number, where we can represent graphically a complex number. In polar form, z is equal to r cos theta plus eta sin theta, where r is the magnitude and theta determines the direction. So a complex number describes magnitude as well as direction. Thus, complex number is a vector. For example, if we say they walked 400 meters toward west. So 400 meters is the distance covered by Dev and in the direction that is west. Now, how can we represent a point in RQ? As point in R square is represented by ordered pair, that is in the form of x, y or x1, y1. And if a point associates with some other point, then that is other point say P dash with coordinate x dash, y dash, then point P, that is xy name, and P dash x dash y dash then their distance can be determined as P dash is equal to under root x dash minus x whole square plus y dash minus y whole square, and direction is as pp dash. And if O is origin with coordinate 0, 0 and P is point with coordinate x, y, then directed vector from O to P, that is OP vector with distance, can be written as x dash square plus y dash square. So this is all about the two-dimensional geometry. Now we will discuss all about the geometry in three-dimensional plane. How can we present a vector in three-dimensional plane? Its properties, sum, equality, as well as in R square and in R cube. So it was just the introduction of vector.